Bluehost coupon code. So if you want to get the best Bluehost promo codes or discount deals, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you can go with your Google or your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Go with search, and under search, you need to search for Bluehost coupon codes. After searching for it, you'll have this kind of interface. Now you just need to simply scroll down, and after scrolling down here, you will have a lot of websites that will provide you the coupon code. So I'll just simply go with a random website. And once you're here, if you scroll down, then you will find the coupon codes. So you will have all of the offers and the coupon codes, and you can just simply tap on it. And if it's verified, then you will get some discounts or some promo codes. Or you can also go with the other websites if you don't find useful. You can just simply go with the other one. For example, I'm here with couponfollow.com. And if you scroll down, then here you will have a lot of coupon codes. So you just need simply go with any option that you're comfortable with. I'll just simply go with the first one, which gives me 15% off. And here you will have the coupon code. You can just simply copy and then you can redeem at Bluehost, or you can just open up your Bluehost website and then paste it right there so that you can get some discounts. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.